Yes, my people, good day. We're working on a 2008 Audi A8L today with the air suspension. And this air suspension system is leaking and malfunctioning, and we're doing a conversion. So this is the kit. We're starting in the back and we're working our way to the front.
Because they're always leaking, goes in this spot right here, pulls up to the top.
This stuff is always a bit bulky and always has some weight to it. So you have to have that one arm strength. One hand to pull down on the suspension and the next hand trying to catch the bolts and line up. It's a little bit challenging, but you can do it. Especially if you have the nice Milwaukee tools. Yeah, make the job a little bit easier, believe me. So we're just tightening everything up to spec. That one is like 3 dakas for the top bolt, and then the other one down there is good and tight. Now we have moved on to the front, the left front. The design is a little bit different in the front than what's in the back. So we're now unboxing the front struts. They box them up different. Front different from back. So yeah, looking over the instructions to make sure that we know what we're doing, and remember, discard of it appropriately. So this is how you remove the old strut assembly from the, well, I would call it a top hat. That's the upper control arms right there. That's how they bolt them up. That's how it's incorporated. So you just unbolt the strut, put it to the side, and you get a new strut. You line up the bolts and everything. Make sure you have the outer different from the inner. If it doesn't line up, flip it around 180, and then now you start muscling it back into place. As again, these parts are a little bit bulky. They have a little bit of weight to them, and you're going to need some one arm strength because I have one hand at the top catching the bolt. You see me looking. I can't see it, but I can feel it, and I'm threading it in. Yes, you have to have these type of skills if you're going to be a technician, especially if you're working for yourself. So we got the top lined up so it's holding the weight and everything, and then now I just line up the lower bolt. Now this might be triggering. You see me hammering it into space, but the bolt is designed like that. It has a point on the end, so it's not going to mess up the threads. So don't stress out when you see me using the hammer and just tapping it back into place right here. Also, don't stress out when you see me using the hammer on this aluminum upper control arm. It is love taps. It's not to bend or break. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I know what I'm doing when it comes down to that. You can give it a little love tap and just send it back into where it belongs. You understand what I mean? Here's another thing that might be triggering too as well. This is the bolt right there. I was trying to be gentle, but it was trying to be difficult. So you see me just send him home. Yes, right through there, and then just tighten him up, good and tight. Check out the fitment now. This thing was down on its nose. You see that right there? Yes, we have room, we have space. We also have no anxiety when it comes on to coming back from work and wondering if your car is up or if it's down on the nose. Thanks for watching. Yeah man, have a nice day, bless. Yeah.